Hi educators, and welcome to Storytime with Kate. Today I'm going to talk about strumming. So we are going to learn how to strum. As you know, I am a big advocate for learning ukulele, and this is a ukulele baritone, the biggest ukulele among all. Biggest size, very close to guitar in a way, so it just doesn't have the top two strings. So if you want to learn to play ukulele, it doesn't matter if it's a baritone or concert size or tenor, you will need to learn strumming. So I had to learn it from scratch, so here I am sharing a little advice with you. So the easiest strumming you will probably start with is down, 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 or downward strokes or strumming. Yeah. So let's try with open strings. So I'm not using any chords, as you can see. So my left hand is free. So and we're gonna just strum like that. Ready? Down, 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 down. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try it with a chord, all right, shall we? So the chord will be G. So for G, you need middle ring finger here. So and let's do it again. Down, 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 down. Let's do it with counting. 1,